students, I hope all are fine at home. So as you know, coronavirus is spreading all over the country. So many of our doctors, police, they are working hard to come out of this situation. So one way you can also help by reminding your parents about when they are going out, about sanitizer, mask and social distancing. So we are also going to start teaching from home. So we are uploading some our teaching videos and notes. So I hope you all will cooperate. Now I am going to start linear equation in two variables. First lesson. The weightage of this lesson is 12 marks. And before teaching the linear equation in two variables, I will tell what is the linear equation in one variable. Just see the definition. An equation of the form ax plus b is equal to 0, where a, b are real numbers and x is a variable with the highest power 1. Such a form is called linear equation in one variable. For example, 2x plus 14 is equal to 0. Second example, 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. Now you know how to solve this linear equation in one variable. So already you have studied in 9th and 8th standard. Now one example I will take. Now the same example. 2x plus 14 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to, transfer this plus 14 that side. So you will get here minus 14 this side. So x is equal to minus 14 upon 2. So value of x is minus 7. So in this way you can solve the linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Definition is an equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers. A is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0. And x and y are two variables with the highest power 1. Such a form is called linear equation in two variables. Take a note. If a is equal to 0, if you put a is equal to 0 in this equation, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, you will get the equation becomes by plus c is equal to 0, which is a linear equation in one variable. Similarly, if b is equal to 0, then the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 becomes ax plus c is equal to 0, which is again a linear equation in one variable. Now, general form for linear equation in two variables. This equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is also called general form for linear equation in two variables. Now, I will give some examples of linear equation in two variables. Examples. First example, 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. Second example, root 5a minus root 3b is equal to 9. Third example, 3a minus 7b is equal to 0. Now some examples. Some examples which are not linear equation in two variables. Which are not linear equation in two variables. First one, x square minus 5y is equal to 7. This is not a linear equation because power is 2 here. Highest power of this variable is 2. Second, root x minus 3y is equal to 10. This is also not a linear equation in two variables because this variable is inside the root. So variable should not be inside the root. The third example, 1 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 7. This is also not a linear equation in two variables because variables are there in the denominator. So to solve, finding the solution of linear equation in two variables. And there is only one method to find the solution, trial and error method. Let us take one example, x plus y is equal to 4. Now assign some values for x to get the value of y. Suppose put x is equal to 1. So what we will get? So 1 plus y is equal to 4, y is equal to 4 minus 1, that is 3. Now take one more example. Put x is equal to 2. So what is the value of y? So again put value of x as 2 in this equation and solve. So we will get here 2 plus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. So therefore you will get, first when x is equal to 1, y's value is 3, and when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. So like this you can find many solutions by assigning a different values for the variable x. This is called a trial and error method. There is no any other method to solve this linear equation in two variables. After finding the solution of linear equation in two variables, we will go for the next topic, that is simultaneous linear equations or simultaneous equations. See the definition: two or more linear equations in the same two variables taken together known as simultaneous linear equations or simultaneous equations. For example, first example, x plus y is equal to 8, x minus y is equal to 4. Second example, 2a minus 3b is equal to 7, 5a minus 9b is equal to 8. So just take a look. X plus y is equal to 8, x minus y is equal to 4. Now in this example, variables are same in both the equations here. So that's why it is called a simultaneous linear equation. Now similarly here also 2a minus 3b is equal to 7, 5a minus 9b is equal to 8. Here in both the equations you see a, b is there. So two variables, same variables are there in both the equations. That's why these are called simultaneous equations. Now there are different methods to find the solution of the simultaneous equations. Mainly there are three methods. First one, algebraic method. Second, graphical method. Third, Cramer's rule or determinant method. Or Cramer's rule. So from this first method, algebraic method, in this again there are three methods, that is equating the coefficient method, substitution method and alternate method, which you have studied in 9th standard. Now algebraic method of solving the simultaneous equations, which you have studied in 9th standard. So I will take one example and explain this all the three methods. Now first one examples here. Solve by equating the coefficient method. First example, 5x minus 3y is equal to 8, 3x plus y is equal to 2. Now in order to use coefficient method or equating the coefficient method, look here, observe the coefficient of x and y here. So here it is 5 and here it is 3. These are the coefficient of x. Now this side you see minus 3 and here it is plus 1 is there. So it is easily we can eliminate y by multiplying this equation by 3. So consider this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Now multiply equation 2 by 3 in order to eliminate y. So you will get equation as multiply the second equation by 3. So what will you get here? 3 into 3, 9x plus 3y is equal to 3 into 2, 6. This is equation number 3. Now take equation 1 and 3. Observe these equations 1 and 3. So to eliminate y, what will do here? Just you have to add equation 1 and 3. So add equation 1 and 3. So 5x minus 3y is equal to 8, this is equation 1. Third equation, 9x plus 3y is equal to 6, equation number 3. Just add these equations. So 9x plus 5x, it is 14x. This minus 3 plus 3, this will get cancelled. So we will get this side, 8 plus 6, 14. Therefore x is equal to 14 upon 14 is equal to 1. Now just substitute the value of x. Put x is equal to 1 in equation, either in 1 or 2, which one you want you can do. So I will take here. So put x to 1 in equation 2. So first write equation 2, 3x plus y is equal to 2. So wherever x is there, write there 1. So 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 2. So 3 into 1, 3 plus y is equal to 2. Therefore y is equal to 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. So hence x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1 is the solution of the given equation. You can check this answer is correct or not by substituting the value of x and y in any one equation. 5x minus 3y is equal to 8 or 3x plus y is equal to 2. Now I already have given 3 methods for you by giving one example. Solving the simultaneous equation by algebraic method, which we are studying in 9th standard. So practice set first 1.1 is based on this topic only, based on these 3 methods only. So I hope you can solve this practice set 1.1.